What y'all over there doing? Be careful by that edge, mama. I don't know why they always don't go into this edge. Be careful over there, honey. Can you see this? It's dangerous down there. Stay over here, Charlie. Guys. Come on, you're making me nervous. Let's go over here. Goodness gracious. Come on. Come over here, babies. It's scary over here. Stay up here, okay? I'm sorry. I want you to go that way, honey. This way. There you go. Now, not that way. Boy. We're not going that way, honey. There you go.